Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to use WhatsApp channel for business. So WhatsApp channels is a one-way broadcast tool, meaning you can send updates to all your followers at once, but they cannot reply directly. This makes it perfect for businesses to share announcements, promotions, and updates without it getting cluttered with responses. So if you haven't created your channel yet, open WhatsApp, go to the Updates tab, and simply click on the three-dotted icon in the top right and click Create Channel. Now, click Continue, add your business name, a description, a profile photo, and then tap Create Channel. Now, click Create Channel after adding these. Your channel will be instantly created, where you can now instantly invite followers from this list and click on the tick icon. Click on Send. Now, once the channel is set up, start by sharing your channel link with your existing customers. Tap on your channel name at the top, select Invite to Channel option. So scroll down and click Invite Followers. And from here, you can invite all the people you want on your channel pretty easily. Just select them and click the tick icon. An invitation will be sent to those people and they can join instantly. You can also invite admins by clicking the plus icon and click Invite and choose the contact, then click on tick icon. Now, you can also click on share icon and share the channel link outside of WhatsApp to invite more people. You can forward this channel to anyone you want by clicking on forward and selecting the contact that you want to forward this channel to. You can also click on search and search for things in your channel. Now, we'll get back and here we'll be in our channel where we can easily write an update and post things however you want. For example, I'll type in any message I want and no one will be able to reply this. It's a one-way communication. You can also send emojis or click on the attachment icon, choose to send a picture by clicking on gallery. You can post a question, music, camera, poll and quiz. So you can post a lot of things. Now, once you post a question and click view responses, all the responses will be shown here. You can also click on attachment again and choose to post a quiz by asking a question, adding their options, and the poll will be sent instantly. You can also record a voice message by selecting this and send a voice note. And to keep your channel looking professional, make sure your profile photo is the business logo and your description clearly explain what your channel is about. And you're posting consistently so followers have a reason to stay. So that's how you use WhatsApp channel for business. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.